Hi friends, this video shows how to stop PS5 from turning on and off with your TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system, under system go to HDMI. Under HDMI here we can see the option enable one touch play. You can see this option has been enabled. That is the problem. If you enable this option, when we turn on TV, PS5 will automatically turn on. You can read this message. If you turn on your PS5, the connected device will also turn on and switch its input to the PS5. So we can disable this option. Then we can also disable this enable HDMI device link. Just disable this way we can solve that problem. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.